Let's say I'm launching merch for a tennis club. I'll start by dragging in my assets. First, the club logo. And a blank t-shirt template. Now I'll add an image node and tell it. Put the logo on the t-shirt. Add 2 green stripes to each sleeve. Perfect. But here's where it gets powerful. I've got this stock photo of tennis players. Let me add another image node. Replace both white shirts with my designed t-shirt. Keep the natural lighting and fit. Look at that precision. The shirts look like they were always there. Now for the marketing copy. I'll add a text node. Generate sporty headlines and taglines for this tennis apparel campaign. The AI understands the context from this entire workflow. It knows this is tennis apparel, sees the design, and creates copy that fits. Here's the magic moment. One more node. Create a 6-second product reveal video using this campaign. Every node talks to every other node. The video pulls the designed shirt, the models, the copy. Everything flows together. And I can choose the best AI for each task, all in one place. What you just saw, that used to take a full creative team, multiple tools, and days of back and forth. Now it's drag, connect, and create. Magic Workflow gives you visual automation with the world's best AI models. OpenAI, Ideogram, Runway, and more, all orchestrated by you. When we founded Picsart, we set out to unleash creativity in everyone. Today, with Magic Workflow, we're revolutionizing how campaigns come to life. This is pure orchestrated creation on your own terms.